Hello, all you coding enthusiasts out there. Welcome to the universe of programming. On this fascinating journey, we're about to venture into the magical realm of C programming. Imagine having a master key that opens up the vast world of programming. That's what C programming is all about. It's the base, the foundation, the stepping stone that opens up a world of opportunities. And when you master C, you're not just learning a programming language, you're unlocking a treasure trove of opportunities in the tech industry. Here at CodaDemy, we're dedicated to making you the best in the game. Our C programming course isn't just about teaching you the language, it's about preparing you for real-world scenarios. It's about molding you into a coding professional who can take on any challenge the tech world throws your way. Every line of code you write, every problem you solve, and every project you complete brings you closer to becoming the coder you've always dreamt of being. And with our C programming course, you'll be well on your way to achieving that dream. But the journey doesn't end here. There's always more to learn, more to explore, and more to master in the ever-evolving world of programming. So, stay tuned to our channel for more exciting coding tutorials, handy tips. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this coding adventure.